Okay guys, Lexi and some other friends of mine wanted me to come out here and take a video of, to see if we can see any lizards. Oh my god, there's a hummingbird. Oh my god, there's a hummingbird. Oh my god, that's the first one I've seen. Oh, I'm like 10 inches maybe from it. Oh, where'd it go? Crap. Oh well. Oh, we saw that. And we have a little mouse that lives down in there that Grandma and Jim probably want to kill. Try to see why. Oh, he has a hole there too. Okay. Looking for some lizards. I just walk along here and they usually fling up. I've caught about 4 of them, but a couple of them I accidentally killed because they were stupid and they wouldn't listen to me. Huh. Oop. Huh. This is usually the time they're out and running. Come on. Show me the lizards. Come on. Where are they? This works like every single time. Huh. Oh, those little... Yeah. I buried that hole. Oh, those little... Where are they? Huh. Oh, maybe we might have to do this again another time. I wonder if that one is nope. I can't believe it! There's a lizard that I had and Grandma freaking killed it. By accident, but still she killed it. And I tossed it over here. I know the ants were eating it, but where's the skeleton? Okay, that's just weird. Huh. Ouch! Well, I guess we're gonna have to try it another time. So, later. Stupid lizard.